Harry Potter, author J.K. Rowling is once again sparking controversy after her social media posts and actions in support of a recent UK Supreme Court ruling against trans women. The UK's highest court ruled April 16 that the definition of a woman under equality legislation referred to biological sex, and that trans women with gender recognition certificates are not protected from discrimination as a woman under Britain's Equality Act. Bridgerton, star Nicola Coughlan slams J.K. Rowling. Stars in the Harry Potter film universe like Daniel Radcliffe, Emma Watson, Rupert Grint, Eddie Redmayne and David Tennant have denounced the author's anti-trans views. Radcliffe told The Atlantic last year that the comments made him really sad, and that he hasn't had contact with her since her 2020 posts. Trans people are who they say they are and deserve to live their lives without being constantly questioned or told they aren't who they say they are, Watson tweeted in 2020. I love it when a plan comes together, Rowling posted to X alongside #Supreme Court and #Women's Rights while beachside with a drink and a cigar. Rowling reportedly donated £70,000, about $93,000, to For Women Scotland, the campaign group that argued the case, according to UK news outlet The Times. While the court said trans people would not be disadvantaged by the decision, critics worry it could lead to discrimination, especially regarding employment issues. Check out USA Today's weekly best-selling book list. In several posts on X, Rowling celebrated TERFs and referred to the ruling as TERF Day, a play on VE Day, the formal end of World War II and Nazi occupation in Europe. Since 2019, Rowling has been labeled a TERF, or trans-exclusionary radical feminist, for her anti-trans views that conflate sex with gender and suggest that changing one's biological sex threatens her own gender identity. Bridgerton, actor Nicola Coughlan is the latest celebrity to speak out against Rowling, sharing an article from The Cut with the headline, "This is a new low for J.K. Rowling. Keep your new Harry Potter lads," Coughlan wrote in an Instagram story April 18. Wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. Coughlan also posted a video to her Instagram with her thoughts on the Supreme Court ruling, saying she was completely horrified and would match donations to trans charity Not a Phase. To see an already marginalized community being further attacked in law is really stomach-churning and disgusting. And to see people celebrating it is more stomach-churning and disgusting, Coughlan said. Rowling also faced backlash April 6 after her disparaging comments about other members of the LGBTQ+ community on International Asexuality Day, calling it International Fake Oppression Day. Asexuality is under the LGBTQ+ umbrella and is a sexual orientation defined as not experiencing sexual attraction. Just under 1% of U.S. adults identify as asexual, pansexual or queer, according to a 2025 Gallup poll.